So hello guys, welcome to our channel gossipfunda. My name is Tejas Koshti. Now the big update come from Wondershare. So Wondershare has recently announced and released their data backup and restore software, that is UBackit. Okay, it is the new generation backup software with intelligent notification and user-friendly interface. So it can be help the users to manage their data via its automatic and manual backup operations. Okay, the tool has targeted at specially for Windows users, Windows 10 users, okay, who want to maintain their backup and their files and to avoid the data loss. Okay, and as you scroll down here you see the some key features of this software. Okay, they are the customization. They provide you the customization filters, okay, to click operations. Okay, and they have the providing one option that is automatic backup, and all type of formats they will be supported, like your videos and photos in any format they can accept it. Okay, with you Backit anyone can backup their files and location of their files, choose and later restore their data however they like. Okay, the best thing about UBackit is it can make incremental backup to save their space and suppose automatic backup schedule, as you see that incremental backup. And they're providing some another features, that is they're providing you a backup notification, they're providing the storage monitoring, also they providing a virus detection. If some virus was come, your data will be the safe, you don't worry about that. And here you see that your all the backup, your all the data will be the safe 100%. What you need to do, just follow the 3 step to protect your data or backup your data. First, select the file, which file you want to backup. Just choose the file from your Windows and desktop. Again click the backup, and here you see they make a one backup format, one make a backup. Here you see they make a one backup, and at a time you restore it. You set alarm, and here you anytime you restore this backup. This software has freshly released, that's why they give you the 1 month free trial. So you absolutely go and check out and try this software at once. We all know that Wondershare providing the best software, that's why we definitely check out this. Okay, if you purchase this, if you buy the software, they give 7-day money back guarantee. Okay, 100% secure from virus and 24/7 free technical support. If you are a designer, influencer and photographer and official user, this software is must for you. So please definitely check out this software and also check out our channel. So guys, don't forget to check out our Gossip Fanda YouTube channel. Here we uploaded latest tech related videos, which videos will help you in your day-to-day life. Okay, so please check out this channel, and if you like this video, please give the big thumbs up. It will be motivate me. So thank you so much for watching this video.